In the realm of cancer treatment, recent breakthroughs have sparked hope with innovative approaches involving modified natural killer (NK) cells and stem cell-derived therapies. Researchers have made significant strides in harnessing the power of natural killer cells to combat liver cancer. A recent study, detailed in a Lifespan.io video, highlights the effectiveness of genetically modified NK cells in targeting liver cancer cells. This approach involves enhancing NK cells with chimeric antigen receptors, CARs, enabling them to recognize and destroy cancerous cells more effectively than traditional treatments. The findings suggest a promising future for CAR-NK cell therapies in treating liver cancer, potentially offering a more precise and less toxic alternative to current methods. Meanwhile, a breakthrough in stem cell research reported by Medical Express presents another promising avenue for cancer therapy. Scientists have developed a novel stem cell-derived therapy aimed at improving the treatment of various cancers, including those resistant to conventional treatments. This therapy utilizes induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, that are genetically engineered to produce anti-cancer agents directly at the site of the tumor. By harnessing the regenerative potential of iPSCs, researchers aim to enhance the efficacy of cancer treatment while minimizing adverse effects on healthy tissues. The development of these cutting-edge therapies underscores a paradigm shift in cancer treatment strategies. By leveraging genetic engineering and stem cell technology, researchers are not only improving the precision and effectiveness of therapies but also addressing challenges such as treatment resistance and systemic toxicity. These advancements are particularly promising for patients with liver cancer and other difficult-to-treat cancers, offering new hope where conventional treatments have fallen short. As research continues to evolve, the integration of CAR-NK cell therapies and stem cell-derived treatments into clinical practice could redefine the future landscape of oncology. So, the convergence of modified natural killer cells and stem cell-derived therapies represents a significant leap forward in the fight against cancer. With ongoing research and clinical trials, these innovative approaches hold the potential to transform cancer treatment, providing patients with more effective and personalized therapeutic options.